cleanse the liver in a few days, only with drinks created by these two ingredients. The liver plays a vital role in our health. This important organ responsible for the elimination of waste inside the bloodstream needs some nutrients to function properly and contributes to the overall body health. In addition, it contains fairly important detoxifying substances such as protein synthesis, hormone secretion, and other metabolic functions. Without an optimal liver function, you can begin to feel worn down, moody, and may experience gas, bloating, and constipation. As you know, alcohol and smoking negatively impact the liver's functioning. High-fat diets, environmental pollution, and drug abuse can also make it sick. In short, one way or another, we are exposed to factors that cause toxin accumulation in the liver. If you're feeling sluggish, there is a good chance that your body is in need of detoxification so as to remove these toxins. And regular detoxification of the liver is the best way to maintain its functions and protect it from harmful effects of the toxin accumulation. Today, we want to share an excellent natural remedy with just 2 ingredients that help detoxify and bring other benefits. This liver purification remedy takes place thanks to the combination between olive oil and lemon, 2 natural ingredients that have shown a positive effect on all body organs. This quick liver cleanse recipe will get your liver function properly and have you feeling better in no time. The treatment is done for a consecutive month, up to 3 times a year. During that time, we advise you to eat mainly fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Here is the way to clean the liver with olive oil and lemon. Ingredients: lemon, olive oil. Preparation Step 1. You cut 1 lemon and squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a bowl containing 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The essential fatty acids and the anti-inflammatory compounds of olive oil contribute to improving the general body health, in particular the cardiovascular system and the liver, thanks to its wealth of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Olive oil stops the aging process caused by free radicals and stimulates the elimination of waste, preventing the onset of disease. Lemon, including alkali properties, improves digestion and is an excellent remedy to eliminate excess liquid and waste from the body. Step 2. Mix the olive oil with lemon juice. Step 3. Drink it on an empty stomach. Soon after, you can drink a glass of warm water. You have to wait at least half an hour before breakfast. With this wealth of antioxidants, the ability to eliminate toxins, this simple remedy reduces the intoxication and consequently improves the skin quality by attenuating the dark circles that make the face appear tired or aging. Please share with your friends and family and let us know what you think in a comment below.